Hey guys, you're watching Daytime with Kimberly and Esteban. I'm Karla Salinas, and today we're at Payne Weslaco Ford, and we're going to be speaking to the general manager all about their newest vehicles. Payne Weslaco Ford offers a wide range of new and used Ford vehicles, service specials, and so much more. General Manager of Payne Weslaco Ford, Raul Gomez, tells us he's been in the industry for over 20 years and he's excited for the future of the automotive industry.
So Ford now for many years has invested many billions of dollars into the electrified segment. So Ford now has a couple of products that have come out. One is the Mach-E. The Mach-E has been out about 2 years. Done very well. They already put a dent in the electrified sales. The number one competitor is Tesla. And now we got the new Ford F-150 Lightning coming out. And everybody's excited. I'm looking forward to get mine. So you think about electric vehicles, you think about a truck, F-150, all the capabilities and no gas. I mean, it's amazing. The vehicle can actually be connected to your house, and that truck will connect to the house and charge the house if ever the power goes out. So it's kind of neat.
And apart from their new electric cars, Raul tells us you can expect only the best from some of their classic models.
So right behind me, as you can see, we have a 2021 Ford Bronco. It's all new for this year or last year. But what I like about the most, and most people would be surprised with, is the suspension. It's independent suspension, so it's real smooth. So you have all the off-road capabilities, and on the highway, you also feel like you're driving just a regular SUV kind of vehicle.
Raul explains their new Ford Maverick is the only standard full hybrid pickup in America.
So many years ago, Ford decided to go away from the car segment, sedans, four-door sedans. So this Maverick, is the new Fusion. I know it sounds funny because it's a truck, but if you think about it, you have a Maverick that's a middle, kind of a smaller vehicle. It's got the Ranger cab though, so it's got a nice sized cab, and you have a little truck bed in the back. So it's meant for people who want to be adventurous, get out,
Raul tells us the Payne Auto Group learned and saw an opportunity after the pandemic and joined the mobile service team with Ford.
And so now, instead of customers having to come to our service department, if they can't make it for any reason, we go to their houses, businesses, and we do all the services there. We do, brake jobs, we do oil changes, filters, windshield wipers, and all that good stuff.
So if you're looking for some new wheels, look no further and stop by Payne Ford Weslaco.
If you have any questions, or if you have anything here at Payne Weslaco Ford, you come see me. Like I said, my staff are always here to help, and looking forward to meeting everybody in this community.
For more information, call 956-272-0681 or visit weslacoford.com.